Hello fashion lovers, in this video I'll teach you how to make two deep pockets. So I cut 9.5 by 9.5, then you make small folding at up. So after folding it, you place it on where you want to attach it. So I'm attaching it on the skirt. So you take your pencil or chalk, then you chalk it as seen. You can see. So after that, you will cut 2.5 by 20 inches. You can see. So I need two of these. So when you cut it out, you fold it like this, then you sew. Just sew by quarter inch, then you turn to the right side. So I will measure 4 inches, then I will cut it out. So you set it aside after cutting it. We use it later. So after cutting it, that you will measure 2.5 inches from the center. You can see the center. So measure 2.5 inches on both sides. Then you chalk. So that's where we are going to place this. All right. So I'll place it on that 2.5 inches that I chalked. You can see. Just stitch it down. So I'll take the second 2.5 by 16 inches. That's what I have now. So I will place it on that the second 2.5 inches that I chopped to. We cut out 20 inches by 2.5. So and I cut out 4 inches, so I'm having 16 inches, right? So you can see. So after attaching, then you will fold this side. You fold, then you stitch. You fold, you will stitch. Just fold by quarter inch, then you stitch down. So you fold it in so that the side edge will be neat. You can see. You turn. You can see the way I turned it. So when turning, ensure that the needle stuck in the rest. You can see. So if you want to turn, ensure that the needle is inside before you turn the cloth. It's very important. Then you fold, you stitch. So after doing this, you can see the pockets already. So after sewing that, to measure the pocket mouth, the measurement you have, add 1 inch and cut it out by 3.5 inches in two places. Then you take the 4 inches by 2.5 inches that we cut out, then put it in the iron buckle. You can get that in the market too. So this is the 3.5 by 9.5 that I cut out for the pocket cover. So you note the center. Then you measure 2.5 inches on both sides as seen. So on that 2.5 inches, you are going to place this. You can see. First of all, put the 4 inches in the buckle. Then you fold, then stitch on that 2.5 inches that you chop, right? So after doing that, you take the second piece, the 3.5 inches by 9.5, right side facing right side, then you stitch by half of an inch. So I've done that already. Just cut out the excess you have there. So after cutting, you so this is me measuring the 3.5 by 9.5 that I cut. So to know what to sew by at both sides, so you must have the same measurements of the pocket mouth that you measure. So the pocket cover must be the same measurement with the pockets, right? So I've stitched both sides. You can see the outcome. So after that, you place it on the cloth. You can see I place it on the pocket cover, close to the pocket mouth. You can place it half inch to the pocket mouth. Don't let it to be too close. You can measure half inch from the pocket mouth, then you place it on that half inch. Place the cover on that half inch, then you stitch. So after that, you flip it over, then you top stitch. You can see a top stitch. After top stitching, you have something like this. You can see that both inside and outside are knit. So you can see our 2D pocket. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is how to make 2D pocket. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.